Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy JR, the one, the only one. Back with another video, yes sir, today, man. Hope everybody having a good Friday, blessed Friday, you know what I'm saying? If you already didn't, go check out my last video, man. Air Max Penny Ones, the Orlando colorway. Go check that video I did on feed, by the way. Go check that out, really appreciate it. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? We're here to talk about another shoe, a Nike Dunk, which this colorway I slept on, but it's not a personal, you know what I'm saying? It's just a shoe to sell. So go ahead down below, go ahead follow my selling page, you know what I'm saying? Junkie Kicks, by the way. I'm also official, by the way, you know what I'm saying? Got proof for LLC, you know what I'm saying? That good stuff. Clap it up, yes sir, you know what I'm saying? So I've been working. That's why I say, you know, y'all ain't seen me doing YouTube like a couple months ago, you know what I'm saying? Like, I post video every now and then, but I was really working towards something, trying to get more business mind, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to make it more global, by the way, so I'm going to be doing shipping, all that good stuff. So if you're looking, like I said, to get shoes, anything like that, go ahead, follow my page down below, Junkie Kicks. I would greatly appreciate it. Much love for sure. But anyway, y'all hear me talk about my business, none of that. Y'all heard for these shoes. We're here to talk about these Nike Dunk Low lottery pack. Colorway, like I said, I like this colorway. At first, I liked the green one better because the green is my favorite color. But when I got these gray ones in here, I'm like, hold on, wait a minute. Okay, I like it. Even though I can't see a couple videos that when they scratch off, you know what I'm saying, the Nike swoosh right there, it's like something type of, I don't know what's going on, but here goes the video right here. If you get this shoe, you know what I'm saying, you scratch it off, you know what I'm saying, just the results you're going to get. Without further ado, man, let's go get the shoe out, man. Here they go, man, here they go. Normally, like I said, any Nike Dunk will come in this red and white Nike box here. I thought it was a lottery pack. I thought it'd be some type of fancy type of, you know what I'm saying, lottery thing on the box or something. Like, nah, that's doing too much. I already got lottery pack shoes. The tissues, I got a little money sign and stuff like that on there. But other than that, really not too crazy. You know what I'm saying, white and red Nike box, like I said. Got 10.5, size 10.5. It says Nike Dunk Low Retro SE, gray fog, black, blue chill, size 10.5. Like I said, retail price on these was $120. They went up $10 on Nike Dunks now, by the way. So Nike Dunks to be $100, now they $110. Ooh wee. Let's go get the shoe out, man. So I got a little paper right here, and it says, swoosh may have slight variations due to the nature of material. That's fancy right there. Hey, here they go, man. Nike Dunk Low, lottery pack, great colorway. Well, they call it gray fog, by the way, in case y'all almost wondering what the name is. They call it gray fog.
Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft. I made my own
Clean colorway. I like this one better than the green one, by the way. It's just something about this white and gray, it's just hitting different. Just hitting different for sure. So let's go get the shoe out. So here go the tissue inside of the shoe box here. You know what I'm saying? You got your diamond, you got your Nike swoosh, and you got your 7. Like I said, it's a lottery pack. So if you play slots in the, you know what I'm saying, casino, you'll see these on there. I might go to the casino tonight. I just might. It's like, nah, let me stop. I'm sorry. But here go these joints right here. So here go close up video of what this says right here. It is the ultimate dunk scratch off coin. Oh, okay. So basically you have a scratch off coin. That's crazy. Usually thought you'd have to get a quarter, but they have a scratch off coin for you. That's a dope detail for sure, man. Okay, Nike, I see what y'all doing, man. I would love to see that. I love when Nike does stuff like this. Try to be a little different, you know what I'm saying, in a unique way. I like that detail a lot. But let's go talk about the shoe, man. On your outsole here, you got your gray fog. On the outsole here. On the midsole here, you got your white midsole. Around the toe box here, you got your gray fog around the toe box here. You got your white toe box here, you know what I'm saying, standardized Nike leather, nothing too crazy. Also got your black Nike swoosh. So got your white Nike stitch on the back of the heel. On the tongue, you got your black and also the same logo that you see on the tongue. It's also inside of the shoe. So white laces. Will black laces look alright with this? I'll stick more to the white laces to make the shoe pop even more. But if you want to get creative, or you could put some red laces in these. Ooh, with the hints on that tongue, with the black and the gray. What? Oh yes, sir. Put some red laces in these. I think these definitely pop for sure. But like I said, overall rating on this shoe, I get about an 8.5 out of 10. Not a bad rating at all. You know what I'm saying? It just won't be a good time to wear these because it's about to be winter time. You know what I'm saying? Snow and come with white laces. I think the white laces throwing me off just a little bit. Just a little bit. That's why I think I give it 8.5. Just the white laces throwing me off a little bit. Like I said, if you put red laces in these, definitely dope for sure. And this material is no suede material. And on the Nike swoosh here, in case y'all wondering, it's not suede or no type of leather material. I think when you take the swoosh off of here, I also got to mention on this Nike swoosh here, there's no like leather or suede material on the Nike swoosh. I could tell. Y'all can see the reflective a little bit, like the lottery logos on the reflective of the camera. Definitely dope for sure, man. Comment down below, man. Let me know that I picked up the gray fall colorway of the lottery pack. Said 8.5 out of 10, not bad at all. Size running Nike Dunks, I always tell people, grow true to size or grow half size up. Do not go half size down in Nike Dunks, please don't. Either go true to size or half size up. But normally I'll go true to size because I have a skinny, narrow foot. But if you got a wide foot, you know what I'm saying, do not go true to size in Nike Dunks. Go a half size up for sure, in case y'all wondering. But that's it for this video, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love. Support as always, man. Make sure you follow me on my platforms down below. My selling page, my cleaning page, you know what I'm saying. Also my Twitter, TikTok, all the good stuff down below, man. I greatly appreciate it, man. Catch you on another video, man. Y'all have a blessed one. Jared1 is out. Peace.